Hi Librans, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for July 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using this Archangel Raphael healing cards here. Librans, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Librans. Towards the final days of June, stepping into July 2022, we have the Hangman here. Possibly, your responsibilities had increased or the pressure of work was on you. Maybe you also felt you were sacrificing yourself or things were not going as per your plan or as per what you desired. I think you were also affected on account of your health. I think your health was affected whether emotionally or physically. Maybe you also needed to tone down your expectations a bit. Maybe for some Librans, I think disagreements may have arisen on account of how money was put to use. Obstacles to overcome are the challenges that July is going to pose for you as the Page of Wands. This is a very restless energy. You want to rush headlong, but this is in the challenge position, so you need to bide your time. I think you want clarity with respect to how you should proceed in life. You want to unearth the real purpose of your life. You will get opportunities to socialize as well this month. Maybe there will be differences or disagreement with colleagues and loved ones over your failure to follow instructions. There will also be increased communication as well. I think you can accomplish a lot if you put your heart and soul to work. Influences for this month, we have the Page of Pentacles. Minor gains can be expected. Maybe you're promised much, but then little comes your way, or you have to settle for less. Definitely, I think Librans, you'll be sought after for your words of wisdom. I think you're somebody who also wants to apply for new job opportunities. Maybe there's going to be some offers with respect to consultancy work or for a side hustle. Maybe colleagues at work are also on leave, so your responsibilities are going to increase. Nevertheless, I think despite the hard work, your output is going to be appreciated. Interestingly, Librans, I'm also picking up that while dealing with clients, you should expect an advance. You should expect payment beforehand before you get down to business to avoid being fleeced. Another thing, Librans, maybe on the social media, you should lie low a bit. The first 10 days of July, we have the Wheel of Fortune here. We did clarify the Wheel of Fortune and we have the Ace of Cups. This is going to be a very dramatic period. I think it's ushering in new beginnings for you. But you should also be ready because sometimes Librans, we can say something and this could lead to our undoing. Maybe you should keep your cards close to your chest. You should also not let ego come in the way because it could affect your relationship. Other than that, Librans, I also believe you should be prepared for sudden changes. Maybe you're also going to question everything around you. Maybe you want to understand why everything goes haywire. Ideally, I think Librans, you should nip issues in the bud. Maybe your family members are also talking about past mistakes and this is going to irk you a bit. I think for some of you, this is also the time to make travel plans or you're discussing travel or a journey as well. 11 to 20th July, we have the World card, another major arcana in your reading. Definitely you will feel a sense of completion or contentment. Work is also going to proceed well. Maybe you should also use your contacts to assist others around you. There could also be issues with your father this month, so you need to be mindful or respectful of family elders this month. While working, I think Librans, you should be careful because there's a possibility that there could be technical issues. You could also delete data unwittingly, and this means that you could be all at sea. However, Librans, you can take heart from the fact that someone is watching your back. Someone is there for you. Other than that, I also believe that while dealing with clients, especially in this period, you needn't be too greedy. Greed can lead to your undoing as well. Some offers could slip out of your hand if you quote a higher price. In case you're in the leadership position, I think there could be a threat from a junior. Maybe this person is also trying to undermine your position at work. The final days of July, that is 21st to 31st July, we have the Ace of Pentacles here. The Ace of Pentacles promises gains as well. It talks about new beginnings. In fact, you have two aces in your readings. You can expect opportunities. Again, this is also going to be a very productive period. So you should get down to business and complete whatever you need to complete. Sometimes, you could also be a bit distracted. So maybe you should focus on something else and then go back to what is requiring more of your focus later on. In this entire month of July, you should also keep your emotions in check. You're going to be very temperamental. Maybe your loved ones are going to be at the receiving end, whether it's your father or your mother. With respect to your love life, Librans, I have this card, Pride and Ego. Ego has no place in relationships. Maybe you're going to be filled with pride this month, or the person you're dealing with is very egoistical. You need to work on your relationships. You need to overcome those barriers or those disagreements if you want this relationship to flourish and blossom this month. Single Librans, I think attention is definitely coming your way. You're somebody who's very beautiful, like this beautiful peacock here, but then again, unwanted attention is also on the cards. Maybe you should also work on your body language this month to keep prospective Romeos out of the way. Some of you who fancy someone will be cyber stalking this person. Maybe sometimes you could also be emotional. You want him by your side. Insecurities could also creep in your relationship in case you're already romancing. Maybe your person thinks that you have options with respect to your love life. That is why you could go back to a former lover. Sometimes, there'll be phone calls or date nights. You'll feel quite content in your relationship, but then there'll also be those times when both of you could be bogged down on account of work, so there's no time to indulge in love talk. For some Librans, I'm also picking up that there could be some negative energy around your relationship which you need to clear. On the other hand, those of you who are married, maybe you're dealing with a person who is quite fishy, who is suspicious. There could also be disagreements over your partner's personal choices here. Sometimes, it's best not to stoke the fire, it's best not to retaliate, but you could be forced to retaliate. Maybe your spouse talks about your unhappy connection with a third person and you want everything to remain hush-hush. Spiritual growth is quite likely this July for Librans. We have the Hangman when we started this reading, Wheel of Fortune. Maybe pride and ego is also making you reflective this month. Spiritual ascension is definitely on the cards. You should focus on spiritual matters. You should listen to discourses, or you should listen to the wise words of your guru as well this month. Archangel Raphael is asking you to be sober. Sobriety is the key when it comes to food habits. I think you needn't overindulge. You should tone it down a bit. You should moderate yourself. If you have those bad habits, like if you drink too much, then Archangel Raphael is asking you to reflect on what you're doing. It's not good for your system. Some final messages here, several cards came up in your reading. We have the Rocket. Maybe some of you want to go on a voyage, or you're talking about travel plans. This is something which we did outline. I think your career could also skyrocket this month. But yes, there's hard work ahead because we have 444, which talks about being grounded, being stable. You want to feel secure, or you want to lay the foundation, but you need to put in the effort to feel secure. Maybe you need to resolve your issues because peace has come in, which is Dove here. So definitely I think you need to sort out if there are disagreements with somebody. And the last card here is Balloon, which talks about freedom. You desire freedom in a connection, or maybe you want to get away from certain restrictions and boundaries. Maybe you're dealing with an egoistical partner. That is why you want to move away Incidentally, this card Voyage and Balloon both seem to talk about travel or movement. All in all, Librans, this month I think you need to keep your disagreements away. There could be issues with others, with friends and acquaintances. You needn't let pride and ego affect your romance as well. Other than that, you'll feel quite content. Besides, spiritual progress is also on the cards. I hope Librans, you liked your reading. This was Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.